Hey, thanks very much. It's a terrific pleasure and privilege to be here with Guy and Jane. And I've just kept a little something in the morning of the occasion. So, if you can just listen, I'll go through as dramatically as I can. We're here in Bude to celebrate the wedding of the year. Those of us who have known Guy long never thought this would occur. We all owe Jane a vote of thanks. Old Gruntsman's gone, that's true. She's saved our great mate from himself. Farewell, Victor Meldrew, brilliant friends. They've come a long, long way since he proposed at Hartland Point on Jane's mid-March birthday. Guy asked if she would marry once her divorce came through. Jane smiled, then inexplicably said, yes, I'd marry you. The sky was blue, the sun shone down, the surf out there was pumping. Thoughts of romance swept Jane's head, while Geiston dreamed of humping. But now Jane's taken Guy in hand, his self-abuse will cease. He couldn't leave himself alone, the horny little beast.